I'm going to start by making the creamy spinach sauce, and I'm going to use frozen spinach that comes in little cubes, okay? I saute half an onion in butter. I add 2 cubes of frozen spinach. One tablespoon of wheat flour. 200 ml of milk. And 200 ml of fresh heavy cream. Now I'll let it boil and thicken. I'm going to season it with nutmeg, black pepper, and salt. Now I'm going to sear the cod in olive oil. My cod steaks are already desalted. Now with the cod in the baking dish, just pour the cream on top. Then we cover it with Parmesan, add some cherry tomatoes, and put it in the oven just to brown. I bet you love this recipe, so leave a like, kisses, and see you in the next video.